Yo, what is going on, guys? You found this video because you're searching on YouTube for NBA 2K26 VC glitch, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video, guys. I'm going to show you how to get 450,000 VC for completely free. As you can see, that's about $100 worth if you was to purchase it, and I've actually managed to find a really easy method to do a VC glitch in 2K26. And guys, this is actually a working locker code. So this is going to get you a secret glitched locker code, guys, that you can redeem, and it is going to supply you with 450,000 VC. And this locker code isn't available on Google. This is a secret one that I managed to find. So before I show you this VC glitch, do make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And this is working on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, all platforms, guys. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone to obtain this secret locker code. And what you're going to want to do is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this game code site, guys. They have hundreds of codes on here. They don't only have 2K26 locker codes. So what you need to do to navigate your way to that is just search it, NBA 2K26. Now this is the locker codes page, and this is going to basically allow you to do the 2K26 VC glitch. So go ahead and scroll down and look for this code, guys. Get 450,000 VC for free. So this is basically going to get you a glitched locker code that you can redeem in your game. Doesn't matter where you play, you just enter it into the locker codes page, and it is going to get you 450,000 VC for completely free. So because these are limited codes and they do give you like $100 worth of virtual currency, you do need to unlock your locker code. So it is really easy, guys. You just click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this screen here. I did this earlier and it took me about 5 minutes, but I think it's worth it considering you are getting 450,000 VC. As you can see, it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So basically, to get your 2K26 VC locker code, you need to complete 2 of the tasks that are displayed on this page, and these tasks are all completely free. And there is a description, there's some text there that tells you how to complete each one. They're all really easy. They're like mobile apps, surveys and playing games and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to skip forward, but if you follow the instructions and complete 2 tasks, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your 2K26 locker code will be revealed in this box, and you can simply grab it and redeem it in game, and that is going to get you 450,000 VC. So that is the best NBA 2K26 VC glitch working right now in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons and just search for the 2K26 locker codes page, guys. And like I said, this is a glitched VC locker code. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.